Hi, welcome to the second screencast on how to use Google Presentations. We're going to look at the Edit menu and a few others during this section. To use the Edit menu, you can click on Edit at the top, and you can see we have Undo and Redo. If I choose to do the Undo, it will take away the last things that I did. And then I can also do Edit Redo, and it will put them back. You will also see that there are keyboard shortcuts for that. In this menu, there's also cut, copy, and paste. You can delete from here, and you can also duplicate. So if you need to have something identical, you can duplicate it and have it copied exactly the way it is. You can also use the Select All menu, and from here you can group things together. You could change the font, you can change colors, all very easily and together. You can also go to Edit and then Find and Replace. And if I choose to find the word technology and I want to replace it just with tech tools, I can do that. And I can choose if I want it to match the case or not. So if it was the beginning of a sentence, it would automatically take care of that. And then I'm just actually going to click on Replace All. And now you'll see actually over on the left hand side I had it as using technology, and now it is using tech tools. So this is a great way to easily change different things, or if you made a spelling error you can go back and do that as well. Under our View menu you can choose to start your presentation. So from here it'll give you your presentation and you can walk through it using your mouse, or there are commands down at the bottom left corner of mine, and I can not move them for this. Alright, under the View menu you can also choose to see your animations. So from here you can choose slide in animations, and right now I have no transition. And now your difference between your transition and your animation is that your transition is how one slide moves to the next, and an animation is how your words or your images or videos come onto every slide. So I'm actually going to choose to have my slides slide from the left, and then you can adjust your speed. And I'm going to apply it to all slides just because it's easy and I don't have to continue to do it. And then I want to select objects to animate. So I'm going to click on my text box or an image and click on the plus sign where it says Add Animation. And from here you can choose how you want it to come in. So I'm going to have it actually spin in, and if you want it on click after previous or with previous, I'm just going to leave mine on click. And then you can choose by paragraph. So you could have every line come in separately or all at once, and then how fast you want it to go. And I'm actually going to leave mine separate or as medium. And then what you can do is you can continue to add animations. So if you have several text boxes on your slide or images or videos, you can have each one come in separately. And then you can just play it and it will show you exactly what it is going to look like. Under the View menu, you're also going to find how big your slides are going to be under the 50, 100, and 200, or your fit. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can snap to, and that just means that there's, you can see it changed just a little bit. Not much different there. You can change it to an HTML view, show your spelling suggestions or not, show speaker notes. So down at the bottom you'll see that I don't have that white box down here. Those are my speaker notes. So if I go back to View and Show Speaker Notes, down here are my speaker notes that I can then later print out, so I have my notes of what I would say during my presentation. And then you also have your compact controls and your full screen, so if you need your presentation to go full screen. And that is your Edit and your View menus.